Yeah, hello everyone. I've ever struggled with an opening your Microsoft PowerPoint, how to use your slide, presentation, and so on. Congratulations, because this class is for you. Welcome to Skillcraft Hub, where we teach digital skills that help you to build skills, create impact, and earn more. In today's class, I'll be showing you on how to present, make use of PowerPoint presentation, and so on. So go grab your devices, your notebook, and other writing materials. Let's dive in as we proceed. Thank you. So now we proceed by searching your Microsoft PowerPoint, sorry. Click on your office button, you see PowerPoint, you click to open PowerPoint, click on blanks presentation. So let's start with what PowerPoint entails. PowerPoint is a presentation software that allows you to create visual slideshows. These slides helps communicate your messages with clarity and impact, whether you are presenting to a small team or a room full of executives. Thank you. Yeah, how can PowerPoint presentations be used? How can PowerPoint be used? PowerPoints can be used for project and business proposals. Number two, academic presentations, training sessions and workshop, churches and community announcements, visual storytellings, event or product pitching, and so on and so forth. Personal branding slides, and so on and so forth. Understanding the PowerPoint interface is the PowerPoint interface. Understanding PowerPoint interface. Slide pan, where you view and design each slide. Um, Thumbnail panel shows the order of your slides. Ribbon tab, which involve your home, insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review, and view. Note section, space to write what you say. Okay, let's start our slideshow. How to create a simple presentation. Now, in order for you to understand what I'm saying, you need your handbook handy. If you want to access your handbook, you can download the link below to access your handbook, or you join our physical class. How to create a simple presentation. Okay, let's look at your PowerPoint presentation. How to create a presentation. First of all, you click on your first slide, click to add title. So you see your title, you can insert your name. Let's say skill craft. Then subtitle, the administrative profession. Administrative professional, writer, and communicator, so on and so forth. You can put whichever one you want, depending on your choice. So, second slide, click on the slide, click on enter, type in your title, about me, about me, click to add text, and say graduate of international relations, graduate of international relations. Graduate of International Relation. Click on enter for your bullet to continue. Skilled in Microsoft Office and admin support. Skilled in Microsoft Office and admin support. Next one, experience. Experience in writing, tutorial and social media. We move on to the next slide. Enter my skills. You type in my skill. Using 3 to 4 bullets or icons. First of all, type in document editing, document editing, calendar and email, calendar and email management, except for data tracking. The next one we have presentation design. And so on and so forth. We move on to the fourth slide, which is the last. You type in contact me as the title. Contact me as a title. Then add email, phone number, LinkedIn, etc. Now you are done with the slides. When you click on it, you see what you have done. Exactly what is shown here. So back to where we start from. The instruction here says that use one ID per slide, use large readable font, stick to simple colors, stick to simple color, use icon and visual, not paragraphs. Apply consistent transition and avoid clutter. Use white space to breathe. Okay, let's use single color here. Okay, we should use a readable font and size. I think this font and size is okay. We can change it if you want. Um, use icon visual, not paragraphs. Okay, that's okay. Apply consistent transition, such as fade or push. Not every slide with different effect. Transition. Let's pick fade. Okay, let's pick fade. Then apply to all. Apply to all. Now for the next design, we'll go to design. Click on design. You pick any design of your choice. Let's say we pick let's say we pick let's say we pick this design. Pick this design. Choose a professional template which is to be clean, modern, and relevant to your audience. So I think this okay. It's okay. Moving on to transition tools and animation. Transition, the use of transition. How one slide change to the next. This is the use of transition. It helps from one slide how it can change. The way it changed to the next. That's the use of transition. So we are picking fade for all of them since that's the instruction here. Animation is how the use of animation is how elements appear with a slide. Animation, how elements appear with a slide. So let's say add animation. Say we add this animation wipe element appear with slide. Okay. Okay, now we are done with our arrangement and designs on how to present our work. Okay, let's move on to the following instructions. Now to understand what you are teaching, you still need the handbook. If you have the handbook handy, you will follow for better understanding. So before you presenting like a pro, before you present your work, in order to preview what you have done, you press the shortcut key F5 to start the slideshow. Then use your arrow key to move forward and backward to see what you have done. You know, if you want to make the corrections in any way or the other. Okay, so let's click on F5 and see what will happen. F5. Okay, this is what's coming up. This is how the slide presentation will look like. So we use the arrow button to go to the next one, the second one to appear, followed by the third, like that. Yes, so on. So that's all for Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Yes, so we are done with on how to make PowerPoint presentations. Now, how and why PowerPoint matters. PowerPoint helps you lead meetings, win contracts, and teach powerfully with the presentation. And it makes your idea looks credible. It enhances your professional presence. It even helps in presentations of most assignment works and contracts for many people, and so on and so forth. Okay, now move on to another practical aspect of PowerPoint. Now, this is a real world presentation scenario in project proposal. So, I believe you guys can do this by yourself through the help of this knowledge. So, if you have your writing materials, you can write what I'm saying. If you have your system, you can be doing what I'm doing as well. If you have your handbook too, you can be watching. So here you say you should open a new blank document. Open new document. Yeah, the question is you are part of a non-profit or office team, and you've been asked to present a proposal for a community outreach project, e.g., youth training, cleanup, campaign, awareness drive, etc. Your audience could be donors. Your audience could be donors, a management team, or even a school board. So the instruction here says presentation outline should be 6 slide. So we are not going to exceed that 6 slide. So we're going to start any moment from now. You can start with anything you have in mind, but I'm following the handbook. So title slide, we're going to use a title slide. So we're going to use a title slide as instructed. You click on this new slide, click for title slide, click on title slide. Okay, title slide. The title is Community Digital Skill. Community Digital Skill Bootcamp. Community Digital Skills Book Camp. Okay. The subtitle Proposal. Proposal for Youth Empowerment Technology. Proposal for Youth Empowerment through Technology. That will be the subtitle. So you add your name, organization, and date. Okay. Your name, organization, is just an instance. Then you add your date. Let's say then we move on to the next slide using the same format. The next slide is the problem. Problem. I'm following the instruction on the handbook. The problem. So with bullet point of a photo background. So the first one is many youth lack basic computer skills. Many youth many youth lack basic computer skills. The next is unemployment. Unemployment is high, very, very high in rural areas. Most schools also lack IT resources, so on and so forth, can give you other problems. In the next slide is the solution to this particular problem. Solution using bullet points as usual. 2 weeks, 2 week computer boot camp. Supposed to be good. It's supposed to be boot camp. 2 weeks computer boot camp for 100 students. Next, focus on MS Office. Yes, that's serious. True. That's true. Focus on MS Office, internet skills, and CV writing. Cert- certificates of participation. Yeah, so you can give your own opinion and write what you have in mind. As for me, this tree is okay. For the next slide, following the instruction as usual, bullet bullet overview. Bullet overview. Sorry, budget overview. We come here, we write sorry, two to budget overview. So we type in items, type in the cost. So items here we have venue and equipment, followed by trainers. Let's say minimum of 4 people at least. No, 4 people. Training materials, which is necessary. Yes, training materials, very, very necessary. The last certificate and snacks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. So for the cost, okay, let's just give it a random number, 150, 150. The next, say 200, 50, 80. Oh, okay, so total, total. So the total of, you can add it up. Let's say total of 430,000. Yeah, 430,000. So we move on to the fifth slide. Fifth slide. Take note as you remember the six slide. So I'm not going to exceed six, so like I said earlier. So the fifth one is benefit and impact. What are the benefits? Impact. Yeah. Benefit and impact. So using bullet, say number one, Youth gain skills that make them employable. Yes, that's a very good benefit. Youth gain skills that makes them employable. Number two, we have boost community tech, boost community tech literacy, boost community tech literacy. Number three, build your um organization's credibility. Yeah, it's okay for me. I'll add if you have any. So for the sixth slide, remember we are not exceeding six, which is the last, can say, call to action. To action using bullet points. Let's say first we should seek 45 150,000 430,000 in support. We are picking this figure from the slide from slide 4. Seek 430 naira, 30,000 naira in support. The second one, let's say, let's employ some people, or should I say, moreover, let's empower 100 futures together. Let's employ 100 futures together. The third, contact, and write your name and your phone and your email. Your name, write your name. It's given here. Write your name, phone number, email. Thank you. So we are done for this. So the last instruction say clean, use a bold and a clean design for this presentation. So for all the headings, all the titles, we are going to bold them for a good clean presentation. So bold it, come in with bold, budget overview, bold, solution, bold, problem, bold, community digital skill, bold scam, bold. Okay, so we are literally done for this part of presentation. Okay, so now you are done with this presentation based on the instruction, the question they give. So now, how to insert photos and images on PowerPoint. That is very, very important. So first you click on the slide where you want the image to appear. You click on the slide. So you're going to create another slide down, that is slide 7. So let's say insert image, images and photos. Photo. Yes. Insert images and photo. So now I will click where I want the image to be. I want it to be in this box. So I'll click on it. Then go to insert and pick picture. Go to insert on the ribbon, click on insert tab, click on pictures. Then you pick any picture of your choice from your system. Let's say I pick one of this picture, insert. You see it will appear automatically. It will appear automatically. So, design tips for today. We recommend you use a very high resolution image. As you can see, this is a very good quality of image. Don't overcrowd the slide. As you can see, my slide are just simple and explainable. Don't overcrowd the slide. One image is better than four small ones. Yes, one image is better than four smaller ones. So you can pick in case you want to insert more than four. Ah yes, one, two, it's okay. Or one each for a slide, it's okay. We're good to go. Then the last, use image to picture style to apply bold or shadows. Use image tools picture style to apply bold or shadows. Okay, I click on the image, which image tools, okay, the style. Let me say I pick this particular one as a picture style. Apply border and shadow. Click on picture border. We say I pick on this color, so on and so forth. That's all. Yeah, yeah. So today we have learned about PowerPoint presentations, slideshows, and so forth. Interface of PowerPoint, how to make use of PowerPoint, and so forth. And I hope you've learned a lot through this platform. If you want to learn more and understand the details of computer application, more about computer, I advise and recommend you to click the link below to get our handbook, or if you want it physical, we can do delivery. You just purchase, then we'll bring it right to your doorstep. Thank you. So today we've learned how PowerPoint presentation can be used, create, designed, and organized in a very good manner. So if you followed along, congratulations, because yes, you just leveled up. Want just leveled up. So if you want a certificate for this class, if you really want a certificate for this class, click the link below to get one and to access our workbook. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Comment whatever you want us to teach next. Thank you.